So I get this question a lot from people who sit and work at the desk all the time. Should I get ergonomic, keyboard and mouse and pads and chairs and stuff like that? Well, if you want to spend to get cute little gadgets like Claudia does, she has blinged out her desk with all these ergonomic things because it's teal and it looks great. Actually, it feels really good, and in the long run, yes, it really can help make sure that you're in the right position. If you're sitting, I'm a short girl, so I always need to make sure my feet are on the floor so my back is supported. And then I'm short too, so I gotta make sure I got some cushion back here and give me some support. So all of those things are really important in terms of if you sit at the computer and work a lot. Now here is when you really should consider getting some help. When the aches and pains, well, not pain, but when it's achy, but it becomes more achy and becomes more painful, for sure, it's a great time to give us a call here at the clinic and ask to speak to our specialist and see what could it be and what kind of help do you need, right? A lot of times if you start going numb, that definitely is not good, and you really want to get help for that right away. Numbness, they're completely different from aches and pains, right? Numbness usually means that there's a compression of the nerve somewhere along. Is it from your neck, the shoulder? Is it from the elbow, or is it from the hand? And usually with nerve problems, when you're numb, depending on where you're numb, it's really going to, at first it doesn't get in your way, but it's annoying as hell. And it feels weird. It just feels really weird. But if those problems don't get resolved, they can get worse. And the worse it gets, the harder it gets. So I always encourage when people come in and tell us that they have numbness and stuff like that, we really want to talk and find out a little bit more about what's going on. We always look at what's called wasting. So if you get numb and your muscles start to sink in, it's usually a bad sign. So let's not wait until we get there, right? If you feel really tired on one arm but not the other arm, that sometimes is a sign of a nerve issue as well. So I definitely would encourage you to give us a call, ask us some questions, and see what we can do to help you when it comes to that, because ergonomically, it's just not going to be enough. You got to get to the source of the problem, get to the root of the issue, and fix it so that you can enjoy your ergonomic stuff even better.